Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make postbiotic pumpkin latte with our Koso. This pumpkin latte contains real pumpkin. Pumpkin is high in fiber, especially soluble fiber. Soluble fiber feed good bacteria in our gut. Soluble fiber also help improve diarrhea and constipation by normalizing bowel movement. Pumpkin is also high in beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant. It is converted into vitamin A in our body. Vitamin A plays an important role supporting healthy gut lining. Healthy gut lining is very important as it prevents toxin, bacteria, and undigested food from getting into our body and cause inflammation. To make this postbiotic pumpkin latte, you need 1 tablespoon of our Koso original, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of steamed almond milk, 1 shot of espresso, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All you need to do is combine everything in a mug. Here's pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, cinnamon, espresso, our Koso, steamed milk. You can add coconut whipping cream. If you like sweeter, you can add extra Koso or maple syrup. You can also add pumpkin spice or extra cinnamon. Hope you like the recipe. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.